What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. And today, we got a nice day outside, so I'm finna go for one last ride. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. Yeah, man, I had a good first season. I'm out here enjoying my last ride with this weird hot weather we got in Detroit. It's crazy out here, man. I know one thing, when I come out here next year, I'm going LS for sure. I probably won't be inside this car, but it's gonna be inside something else. Gotta come with some motor. If it ain't one thing I learned this year, you gotta drop motor wherever you are here in. With the posse. I ain't gonna sleep on that one no more. Alright YouTube, so we out here getting some content in, man. One last ride with my girl Candy. Ain't she pretty? Y'all see her. You know what I mean? So to all my new subscribers, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like this video. Join my process. I put all that work in myself, man. From the headlights to the paint job to the rose gold rims, cutting for my 24s, man. I was over here getting dirty. I was learning, getting them hands dirty, you feel me? So we back now, man. I was gone for about 10 years and I came back to the car game and y'all boys taught me a lot. You hear me? I hit a couple car shows. I met some new people, networking, did some collaboration videos, man. I had a good year. I got a long way to go, man. I got some more builds on the way, so I'm telling you, lock in on my channel, man. Subscribe right now. I got my next giveaway coming at 750 subscribers. I'm almost there. But I want to make a real big push to get 1,000 subs. Y'all give me to 1,000 subs, man. I'm going to drop some cash. I'm going to drop a dog gift in y'all hands. Y'all bless me, I'm going to bless you back. So, that's my goal, man. Get these numbers up. Keep having a good time. Keep schooling y'all, man. Keep motivating. You know what I mean? To all my people who follow me on Instagram, man, y'all inspire me and I inspire y'all back, you feel me? So that's how we're going to keep on doing this. So I'm trying to show y'all a little video, man, from this whole little build, my whole little process from start to finish. You know, this is my first year back in the game and I had a good time. My girl came out good. Even my little mid-season makeover, man. I flipped her from the 24s to the rose gold 22-inch irocs. You feel me? I took a chance with that one, man, but she came out good. So, like I say, subscribe to my channel. Let's get these numbers up. Let's get it, baby. Alright, man, so I'm gonna wrap this up. It's my girl Candy. We went for one last ride. Ain't she looking pretty? You know? So, like I always say, baby, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. And let's push me to 1,000 subs before the end of this year. Y'all bless me, I'm gonna bless y'all back, man. I'm gonna drop something serious in y'all hands for a giveaway. So, stay locked in for them details. Follow my Instagram channel, eProfitDetroit _the_process. And let's get to it, man. Look at that water. And my bad daughter. Let's go, little girl. Alright, Candy. It was fun, my baby. We had a good first year. It's time for the second build now. Let's get to it.